Welcome to TestNet Prep. TestNet Prep is the only dedicated portal solely for TestNet preparation. If you have been following us, you must be getting all information regarding test admission process. If you are new to this channel and you are looking to prepare for test, do subscribe to it. Now, the question that we are dealing with that बहुत सारे students हमारे पास यही text रहता था कि test का admission process क्या है, because when they go and read on the online portal, whether it is Quora or different websites, they get confused with what is the actual admission process. So I hope कि by the end of this video this would be completely clarified. So stay here for the next 5, 6, 7 minutes, whatever it is. So let's understand the test selection process. इस selection process में दो stages होते हैं, stage 1, stage 2, और इसी को combine करके आपका final selection होता है. पहले stage 1 को देख लेते हैं कि stage 1 में क्या क्या होता है. stage 1 में सिर्फ एक एग्जाम होता है which is TestNet. And mind you, this is a common exam for all the courses of test. So let's say you are applying for the HRM course, let's say you are applying for the ODCL course, you are applying for the MHA course, psychology course, सारे ही course के लिए आपको यही एक common exam देना है which is TestNet. Okay, now you can apply for maximum 3 courses in the test application form. वो कौन से course हैं वो आपको पहले से ही decide करना है in your application form. And you have to clear the cutoff of the course that you have applied for. जिस भी course में आपने apply किया है उसका आपको cutoff clear करोगे, then only you will move to the stage 2 of the selection process. Unless and until you clear the cutoff of the course that you have applied to, you will not be going to the stage 2 of the selection process. हर एक course का हर एक category में अलग cutoff होता है. Let me repeat because this is also a common query. हर एक कोर्स का, सो लेट्स से आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दी MHA कोर्स का डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में, जनरल यानी ओपन कैटेगरी, EWS, SC ST, OBC और वट एवर द कैटेगरी दैट इज देयर, हर कोर्स का अलग कट ऑफ होता है. फाइन, तो आपको वो कट ऑफ क्लियर करना होगा, देन ओनली यू विल मूव टू द स्टेज 2 ऑफ द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. इफ यू डोंट क्लियर द कट ऑफ फॉर योर कैटेगरी इन दिस स्टेज, यू वोंट बी मूविंग टू द स्टेज 2 ऑफ द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. ना स्टेज 2 के सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में ही सारे कंफ्यूजन आता है, जहां आपको टिस्पैट, PIT, GD, एक्सटेम्पोरे, इंटरव्यू वगैरह आपको सुनने को मिलेगा. ना सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं, बड़ा फेमस है, ओनली फॉर द HRM and ODCL this exam was introduced, that is TestMat. Lot of confusion is related to this. We'll see what exactly it is. तो पहले लिख लेते हैं क्या क्या होता है. PIT, TISPAT, आपके सारे confusions clear हो जाएंगे. GD, extempore and personal interview, which I'm writing it as PI. Now let's talk about each of these and we'll see कि क्या possibility रहेगी और कैसा admission process अभी currently चल रहा है last 3 years से. TestMat, this was introduced in 2018 and it happened just once in 2019. एक बार ही हुआ था. This exam was an added exam for the HRM and ODCL. 2019 के बाद ये लगातार 4-5 साल से नहीं हो रहा है, 4 साल से नहीं हो रहा है. And the reason that this exam has been scrapped, which I believe was exactly similar to TestNet. इसमें RC आता था, इसमें data interpretation आता था. One section was of RC, one section of data interpretation, and that they added new was the business awareness section. These two were already taken care in TestNet. Also, this was just a 30-minute exam and giving more weightage to TestMat. All those things were not making sense. जब आप एक बड़ा एग्जाम कर रहे हो 100 minutes का, and then you are taking a added exam with more weightage with the with sections which are already a subsection of this exam. So that is why they have scrapped it and they have never included this in the selection process after that. So most probably TestMat is completely scrapped. I cannot say everything with the guarantee. हर बार एक notification आएगा, maybe in November, usually in November or October. So you'll get to know. Almost this has been scrapped from the last 4 years. Because अगर उनको लाना होता तो post COVID जो scenario था, जो सब कुछ normal रहा है, उसमें वो लेकर आते हैं. So that is why they have removed it. PIT, pre-interview test. All these things used to happen when they used to call student on the campus and do the second stage of the selection process. This was happening till 2018. After that, in the time of COVID, and also post COVID, we have seen that this has been scrapped. TISPAT, they introduced in the time of COVID, it never happened, which was of similar nature like PIT. This is scrapped. GED has been scrapped at least 6 years before. ये भी खत्म हो गया है. Now what they are left with is extempore and personal interview, and all this thing happens online. So stage 2 भी online होगा, आप अपने घर से दे सकते हो और आपको कैंपस जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई थिंक बीइंग ऑनलाइन एंड द कंप्लीट सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑनलाइन फॉर मेजर एग्जाम्स एंड कॉलेजेस इज़ द न्यू नॉर्मल, एंड दे विल स्टिक टू इट, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कैंपस में बुलाना, उनके अकोमोडेशंस को देखना, प्लस इतने यूजलेस एक्सपेंसेस स्टूडेंट्स के अगर हो रहे हैं दूर तक जाने के लिए, दैट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. ऑल्सो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं जा पाते थे कैंपस में, वो भी अब अपीयर कर लेते हैं, और एक पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट का जो उनका बैंडविड्थ है वो बढ़ जाता है. सो दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस हैपनिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट 2 years कि वो एक्सटेम्पोरे और पीआई एक साथ कंडक्ट करते हैं. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड स्टेज ऑफ द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड स्टेज ऑफ द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. नाउ कंबाइन करके आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन होता है. तो हाउ डज द फॉर्मूला वर्क्स? So whatever marks that you get in TISNET, its weightage currently is 50%. It has always been 50 to 70%. 60% भी रहा है, 70% तक भी रहा है. अभी ये currently 50% है. I don't think कि 50% से कम होगा. Extempore. So as soon as you enter the interview room over the Zoom, you'll be given a topic. You'll have to speak on that topic for 3 minutes. That is called as extempore, and then your interview would start. Okay, so iska weightage, extempore ka weightage is 20%, and your interview weightage is 30%. So eventually this all weightage makes it to 100%. इस 100% में आपका selection होगा. So this is the complete selection process. If there is a change, if they introduce something new, which is very less chance or a very bleak chance that this would happen, if that happens, you would be notified by November. Nobody can else tell you कि क्या selection process होगा, वो TIS ही बता सकता है. So if somebody is giving you any sort of insecurity कि ये भी होगा, वो भी होगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी रहती हैं, please don't get into that. This exam and this interview has always remained constant. So as of now, when we are in June, July, make sure कि आप TIS को focus कर रहे हो, TISNET को focus कर रहे हो. Try to get maximum marks here because this has the maximum weightage. Also for the reason that for this process, interview and extempore, you will get ample time. You don't have to get worried. मैं बहुत सारे students को देखता हूँ कि अभी interview के बारे में वो पूछ रहे हैं, अभी extempore के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. Maybe they do not know how exactly it works, but trust me, you will get ample time for the preparation for interview. So this makes the complete selection process, and there are very less chance कि अभी कुछ change होने वाला है because they have stick to this from the last 3 years. If there is a change, you will be notified through a notification जो TIS ही दे सकता है. Nobody can give you insiders information. Even वो लोग भी बहुत last moment पे decide करते हैं. You will understand कि TIS क्या administration कितना आराम से काम करता है, and they take decision at the last moment. So nobody can tell you that. No insider information can make any changes to it. It will be just tapping to your insecurities. Now आपका फोकस सिर्फ और सिर्फ TISNET होना चाहिए. वी हैव अ वेरी फोकस्ड कोर्स फॉर TISNET. कंप्लीट TISNET प्रिपरेशन का आपको कोर्स मिलेगा. There are 2 modules to it. Both of these modules are given to you. One is a self-paced learning module where we have recorded topic-wise lectures followed by topic-wise test assignments, and also we have live classes. We have 4 live classes in a week, and through these live classes also we'll finish the whole syllabus. You'll get practice test questions, you'll get mock tests, you'll get sectional tests, you'll topic-wise tests, and most important, your doubt support. We offer 24/7 instant doubt support. Any doubt that you get, that would be resolved immediately on the WhatsApp group. This is the course. You can check our course detail in the link which is there in the description section. It is very what to say, affordable, and it has intentionally made very affordable so that everyone could take up this course and take the benefit of it. That's all. फिर भी अगर टेस्ट के सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में आपको कोई डाउट है, कुछ और फर्दर इंक्वायरीज हैं, आप प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में रखो. वी रिप्लाई टू ईच ऑफ द कमेंट्स एंड विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू आउट इवन इफ यू हैव एनी फर्दर डाउट्स टू इट. थैंक यू.